Tired of half-used anti-aging creams that just don't work? The secret to fighting aging isn't a miracle in a bottle, it's knowing a few key ingredients. We're cutting through the marketing hype to show you the 7 ingredients that are scientifically proven to get real results. First up, retinoids. Considered the gold standard, this vitamin A derivative speeds up cell turnover for smoother skin and fires up collagen production to tackle fine lines and wrinkles. Next, vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant acts as a bodyguard, protecting your skin from environmental damage. It's also a brilliant brightener, helping to fade dark spots for a more even-toned glow. If you're noticing a loss of firmness, you need peptides. These tiny messengers signal your skin to produce more collagen and elastin, which helps restore that firm, lifted look. Hyaluronic acid is a moisture magnet. It can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, pulling moisture into the skin for an immediate plumping effect that makes fine lines far less noticeable. Niacinamide is the versatile Swiss Army knife of skincare. It strengthens your skin's natural barrier, helps shrink the appearance of pores, and has anti-inflammatory properties to calm redness. For dull or rough skin, alpha-hydroxy acids, or AHAs, are your best friend. They work by dissolving the glue holding dead skin cells, revealing a much brighter and smoother complexion underneath. Finally, the antioxidant dream team, like vitamin E and ferulic acid. They work together to protect your skin from environmental stress and even boost the power and stability of vitamin C. The takeaway is to stop falling for promises on the front of the bottle and start reading the ingredients list on the back. Remember, consistency is key, and none of this works without daily sunscreen. We hope you'll like and share this video and consider subscribing to this channel, but that's it for now. Thanks for watching.